Pika Pika! Let's draw Pikachu. Okay. Oops, I already drew that much. Okay, if you didn't see, you can go back. Oh, I used the flip tool after copying, and then I made the other side. I should have done that after drawing the eye. Okay, what's this side thing? Does anyone know? Okay. So I keep moving. Okay, it's not working. What's that? Okay, anyone know? Oh, okay, this one. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, this is big. I really want to make this big. Oh, how about that? Do you like that? A big eye? How about this big? Oh, this big? I really want to draw like that, but it doesn't look the same. Okay, now I took the eye out, copied, and pasted on the left. Drew the. You can draw the mouth like that. And okay, I'm really obsessed with the eye. Okay, let's see. Look at this eyeball. Inspecting the eye. Ooh, and the mouth. I'm changing the mouth and the eye. Okay, the eye is important. Okay, let's like get bigger. Now, that's too big, I think. Maybe make it smaller. There, and bigger again. And oh, it's all black now. Oh, let's erase the round part again because I colored it all black. And yay! So that's how you draw the eye. Okay, in this video, you're focusing on drawing the eye. So everyone, look carefully. Like I erased the previous eye because I wanted to make the same one and coloring the nose. And then, okay, what you have to do now is, what do you think? Yes, we have to erase the unnecessary lines because remember we copied, we flipped it, and we have like same lines here and there. So I'm erasing those stuff. See? All clear. Nice. Oh, and the other ear as well. And now it looks better and pretty. Wow, Pika! Okay, and then okay, doing some plastic surgery on the cheeks, to make it smoother, and the eye. We have to look at the eye very carefully. The eyes. Okay, this eye, left eye, and and spin it a little, and move it there, and there, and there. Okay, and there, and okay. Now the ear tips. Okay, and I'm doing the shadow part and the okay cheek. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay, big cheeks, big electricity. It turned all black. Okay, it's a blackout. And then I'm putting in the tips again and the eye again. This right eye and the left eye. We're inspecting very carefully. And the chin and the arms and the did you say my hand say hello? And then the body. It looks like it's small, but it's not small. It looks like that because it's on the perspective of looking from top to down. Um, so yeah, it'll look like that when you're looking your Pikachu from up above because Pikachu is small. And yeah, that got erased somehow. So I'm clearing it again. And so now we are almost there, right? Yeah, almost done with the drawing, the sketching. The contours. Now you gotta do some coloring. Oh, all red. Okay. For the coloring, doing the coloring, I'm going to make the lines a little thicker so the colors don't come out like that. And white Pikachu and yellow, and the eye has to be white again, so I colored that. And the inside of the mouth, and I forgot the tail, so I'm gonna draw in the tail, and I have to color that yellow. Only the tail. No, not the whole thing. Only the tail. Not the whole thing. The foot only. Okay, the feet yellow and yellow. Okay, now the shadow. That's like all shadowy. That's too dark. Okay, so that part. Pika! Okay, everyone, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.